nose, nose, feet, feet, toes, toes, chest, chest, finger, finger, ear, ear, belly, belly, head, head, eyes, eyes, mouth, mouth, hip, hip, leg, leg, shoulders, shoulders, hand, hand, elbow, elbow, neck, back, back, joint, joint, knee, knee, muscle, muscle, spinal cord, spinal cord, arm, arm, teeth, teeth, skin, skin, heart, heart, throat, throat, tongue, tongue, bladder, bladder, bone, bone, brain, brain, intestine, intestine, kidney, kidney, lip, lip, lungs, lungs, stomach, stomach, chin, chin, hair, hair, blood, blood, thyroid gland, thyroid gland, thigh, thigh, cuff, cuff, nerves, nerves, nail, nail, liver, liver, soul, soul, cheek, cheek, wrist, wrist, ankle, ankle, thumb, thumb, eyebrows, eyebrows, penis, penis, scrotum, scrotum, testicles, testicles, epididymis, epididymis, prostate gland, prostate gland, gallbladder, gallbladder, breast, breast, waist, waist, butt, butt, abdomen, abdomen, navel, navel, armpit, armpit, vaginal opening, vaginal opening, hymen, hymen, urethral opening, urethral opening, clitoris, clitoris, ovary, ovary, fallopian tube, fallopian tube, mons pubic, mons pubic, labia major, labia major, labia minor, labia minor, esophagus, esophagus, appendix, appendix, anus, anus,